Welcome. I'm Kay from KLostWeight.com. And if you're here, you've either purchased my weight loss guide or signed up for my mailing list and downloaded some of my freebies. Let's talk about one of my freebies, the 30-day wellness and weight loss tracker. I created this tracker to help you stay committed to your weight loss journey, and it definitely played a huge role in mine. I lost over 60 pounds using trackers like this to stay consistent. So let's be honest, consistency with anything can be really hard. But over time, what helps you reach those final goals is those small wins over and over, getting 1% better every day. And I talk about this in my weight loss guide. And so let's say today, you're doing nothing. You're not working out. You're not eating healthy. You're not doing anything. And then you buy my weight loss guide and see my just get started plan. And all of a sudden you're ready. So today is day one. So let's say today is day one. You're going to do 1,000 steps and just get started, right? Well, you do it and then you feel like, did I really do anything? I'm not working hard enough. Am I really making a difference or reaching my weight loss goal? But you are, because these small wins over the course of 30 days, either way, something like that changes your life. I promise you. So this is the concept of small wins and getting 1% better every day. And I go into that more in my weight loss guide, but you can get started here with my wellness and weight loss tracker today. So let's get started. Go to my website, click free resources, and enter the password you received when you signed up for my mailing list, and go to download the wellness and weight loss tracker. So when I designed this tracker, I included the areas that were most essential to me when I began my journey. I feel like these basic things created a strong foundation, and it's possible that if you start here, you could gain the key benefits to help you move toward your goals. First, you'll go and fill in the date, of course, and then choose your intermittent fasting goal. For those of you who are resistant to it, I challenge you to give it a try. It's okay to give your body a break, even if it's just while you're sleeping. So if 8 hours is all you can start with, start there. You'll then mark each day that you reached that goal. Next, you'll fill in your daily step goal. I did not exercise hard to lose this weight, but moving your body has so many benefits. So I really encourage you to get those steps in, whatever point you're starting at, every day. And if you miss a day, that's okay. Pick right up where you missed it and keep going. And finally, you'll set a look good, feel good goal. When we look good, we feel good. It's psychological, it's science. It could be something simple like applying eye cream or SPF. I'm also a licensed esthetician, so I can tell you that small beauty habits have an overall effect daily on how we look and feel. Whatever you choose, make sure you do it for 30 days. You'll get to those 30 days, and I know that you will feel awesome after. Hope this has been helpful. Don't forget to download the other freebies that you have access to, the weight loss meditation tracker, as well as the weekly toning exercises. I also demo those weekly exercises here on my channel. You can also find my weight loss affirmations here on my YouTube channel. They're open to everyone. For more information on how these affirmations got me to my goal a lot more quickly, check out my weight loss guide on KLostWeight.com. And remember, don't forget to follow me on social media at KLostWeight for Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and of course, YouTube. I look forward to seeing you soon.